In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track customer payments in Go High Level. Being able to see exactly who has paid, when they paid, and how much they paid is essential for keeping your business finances organized. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple way to track those customer payments by working inside the payments area of your Go High Level account and importing your transactions from a CSV file. First, make sure you're logged into your Go High Level dashboard and that you're in the correct location or sub-account where you want to track payments. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the option labeled Payments in the left-hand menu. Go ahead and click on Payments. This section is where Go High Level centralizes your financial activity, so you'll be able to see and manage everything related to customer billing from here. After you've opened the Payments area, you'll see several tabs or options. To focus specifically on individual payment records, find and click on the tab labeled Transactions. The Transactions page is where each payment, refund, or chargeback will be listed. This is your main hub for tracking who paid what, on which date, and through which method, such as card or other processes you may have connected. Now that you're on the Transactions page, we're going to bring in your payment data, so everything is recorded in Go High Level. Look toward the top right area of the screen for a button or link that says Import as CSV, and click on that. This feature allows you to upload a CSV file containing your transaction history, which is especially useful if you've been keeping records in another system, like a spreadsheet or a previous payment platform. Before you upload, make sure your CSV file is properly formatted. Typically, you'll want columns for details like customer name, email, amount, currency, payment date, and transaction status. Go High Level may provide a template or field mapping step during the import process, so take a moment to match each column from your CSV to the correct field in the system. This helps ensure that your data appears correctly under each transaction. Once the import is complete, you'll see those records listed in the transaction section. From here, you can filter, sort, and review payments, making it much easier to monitor your revenue and keep your customer payment history organized inside Go High Level.